Well, one day in Facebook, I saw an ad about this kind of mold for Speculaas or Windmill cookies. It's beautiful and it's hard to get, so I bought this too. It took more than a month to get them. After I bought, to get in my house, it's almost a month. I don't know where it came from. I think from England. But this is beautiful, and this inspired me to share again my windmill cookies recipe, or Dutch spice Christmas cookies from Holland. Try these cookies, you won't regret. It's really tasty. And this is the result. See, from this. Pretty, right? You don't need to use this mold like this. If you have this cookie cutter, that make it beautiful cookie too. Okay, let's go to the kitchen. Butter, you beat the butter until fluffy and light. This is enough. Now the spices. I give the link to my video how to make this homemade in description box, so check it out. If you have a hand to buy store-bought, it's okay, but if not, you can make by yourself. It's not complicated. It's 1 tablespoon or more. And brown sugar. Vanilla, one tablespoon, but I never measure my vanilla. It's about 1 tablespoon, more or less, it's okay. Now we mix the flour. It's just all-purpose flour, baking powder, almond flour. Okay, this is all-purpose flour. flour. Almond flour. Okay. Salt, baking powder, mix it well. This updated video, it's supposed to make this recipe very easy to make and fast. Okay, now we start to put the flour a bit by a bit, okay? Do not put too much. And don't forget to prepare 4 tablespoons of milk. You might use all the milk, but you maybe not. It just to make the consistency of this dough right. It's not too thin or too thick. Okay, now more. A little bit milk because it looks dry. Like you see, I don't use all the milk. Still maybe 1 tablespoon left. This is the consistency I want. Not too dry, not too wet. Okay, now we're gonna wrap this into the plastic wrap. So this is the consistency I like. It's not too dry, but it's not wet. It's not sticky on your hand. See? It's not sticky at all. And the bowl clean. So now we wrap this in a plastic wrap and keep it in refrigerator at least 1 hour. Okay. Keep in refrigerator and I'll be back in 1 hour, okay? Okay, if you guys, by the way, can get a hand with the mold like this, the Windmill cookies or Speculaas mold from wood, just follow this instruction. If not, you can always using any cookie cutter, and easier, believe me, easier. I got this online from Facebook advertising. It's beautiful, but it's very detailed. Look, and believe me, it's not easy. See, if you want like this and you have the mold like this, just follow my instruction. First, preheat the oven 325 degree Fahrenheit or 165 Celsius, and then baking sheet, you prepare this, and release agent, you need this, or oil, you need this. And this is the dough after 1 hour in refrigerator. Now let's make it. Now it's ready to bake. For baking, this is something tricky because it's different. Like this is very big size. So I will try. I know for sure for this, it will take almost 40 minutes. But for if you first time try to bake, try 20 minutes in 325 degree Fahrenheit or 165 Celsius. You want to see a slightly brown on the edge, it means it's done. So I will show you later after this done. Okay, this is beautiful. See the windmill, it's so detailed. Okay, I will bake now. It's done. I'm not so sure you can see very clear or not, but it's kind of brownish around the edge. It means they're done. They're done, and you have to wait until cool before enjoy or put in a jar. So we let them cool. Well, this is now, it's cool enough. I can touch without gloves. And if you can see, in the back of cookies, it's brown. And nice brown, crispy. And this is what I say. See? Kind of brownish color around the edge. It means the cookie's done. So it's easy. Some people call Speculoos, or Windmill cookies, or Dutch spy cookies. This is a Christmas cookies. It's tasty, buttery, spicy. Try it, you won't regret. Okay, thank you for watching my video until the end. So this is all the easy cookies. You don't need to use special mold to make these cookies. Any cookie cutter can work and maybe easier, but this is because I have the mold. I'm using the mold. This updated recipe, it's because I make the dough, the cookie dough, without me involved, like kneading or mixing. It's all by mixer because my hand is kind of arthritis, so I don't want feel pain. So this is the result. It's beautiful and tasty. I will show you inside. See? I think you can hear it. Crunchy. Thank you, my friend, watching my video till the end. Please give me like if you like this video, and subscribe, share this video. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.